Guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, and we will be checking it out right now in this video. However, before I go fully into it, I will like you guys to know that this video is for educational purpose, and if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so guys, these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow from a small trading capital into something reasonable. So guys, quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. I'm on 5 minutes. Sorry, this is boom 1000. I'm on 5 minute time frame, and of course this has been on downtrend for a while. Got to this support zone, it's trying to go back on uptrend, but got to this region, pulled back, and of course it will be trying it out again. And if it breaks out above it, it's going to buy more. Okay, so once it breaks out above this particular region, then we expect it to buy till it gets to this spot. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Okay, next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's do that together. Okay, let's do that. Okay, this is boom 500. It had been on uptrend before, but got to this resistance and was unable to go above that, so it started the downtrend right from there, got to this support zone, had the pullback. It has not been able to break out from there. It also got there around there, so was unable to break out from there, so it's had another sell, but this time around with another pullback because it got to this particular support zone again. Okay, so it has not been able to break out from there. So if it breaks out above this resistance zone, then it's going to buy more, but if it does not, it will come back here and sell more. Okay, so this is very important. This is buying at the moment. It might not be for a very long time. Okay, so we should take note of that. Okay, we should take note of that. Next asset is going to be crash 1000. Okay, let's do that together. Crash 1000. So guys, this is crash 1000. It has been on uptrend for a very long time, got to this resistance and wasn't able to go above that, so right now it is selling at the moment. So this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay, next asset is going to be crash 500. For crash 1000, we expect the selling activities to get to this particular spot, okay, as it is going. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, now let's check out crash 500. Crash 500 has been more of a downtrend than an uptrend. It has gotten to this support zone. It was unable to break out from there, so it's trying to go back on buy trend right now, but we need it to break out above this particular resistance zone. Once it breaks out above it, then definitely it's going to buy more. Okay, so this is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Next asset is going to be crash volatility 75. Let's do that together. This is volatility 75. It had been on downtrend for long, but got to this support zone, played around there for a very long time, had a pullback, and of course went back there, and it broke out below the support zone, so which means it will be selling more. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity to be selling till it get to the next support zone, and if it's unable to break out from there, it will change the direction of the trend into an uptrend. Okay, so this is very important. So guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect a trading skill, can you go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.